Milky Way, terrifying cosmic phenomena. The universe is stranger than we can imagine. Full 1,500-word expanded script. Eye-opening scene. Slow zoom out from Earth into deep space. Ambient, mysterious music plays. Narrator, calm, reflective, slightly ominous. Most of us rarely worry about what lies beyond our everyday lives, our homes, our cities, our small blue planet drifting through an endless cosmic ocean. And that's because, as many of you have heard, the human brain simply isn't built to comprehend the vastness of the universe. The cosmos is ancient, older than imagination itself. It is enormous, so large that light, traveling at the fastest speed possible, still needs billions of years to move across it. It contains mystery so powerful, so overwhelming, that if we truly stopped and tried to understand their scale, we might lose our grip on what we consider normal reality. If you enjoy our cosmic journeys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Simply Space, and stay with us, because what you're about to hear might change the way you see the universe forever. Music rises softly. Medium White Star Chapter 1. The Day of Judgment. The Higgs Boson Apocalypse. Narrator. Throughout history, cultures across the world have imagined their own versions of the end of days, fiery destruction, divine judgment, endless darkness. But the most terrifying and scientifically plausible apocalypse comes not from mythology, but from particle physics. And it begins with something called the Higgs boson. In simple terms, the Higgs boson is responsible for giving mass to everything that exists. Without it, atoms wouldn't form. Planets wouldn't exist. You wouldn't exist. But here's the frightening part. According to many physicists, including the legendary Stephen Hawking, the Higgs field may not be stable. Our universe might be sitting in what scientists call a false vacuum, a temporary energetic state. Imagine the universe floating inside a gigantic energy bubble. If that bubble pops, the universe collapses into a more stable form. This is called vacuum decay, a cosmic chain reaction that rewrites the laws of physics as it spreads. Narrator, darker tone. If a Higgs energy bubble were to form, even the size of an atom, it would expand outward at the speed of light. You wouldn't see it coming. You wouldn't feel pain. Everything would simply stop existing. Atoms would disintegrate. The forces holding matter together would change. The universe, as we know it, would end without warning. Scientists estimate this could happen in trillions of years. Or it may have already begun somewhere far away, racing toward us at unimaginable speed. A silent, invisible apocalypse built into the fabric of reality itself. Milky Way Chapter 2, Interstellar Cannibalism, when galaxies devour each other. Narrator, if vacuum decay doesn't end us, something else might, something that sounds like science fiction, but is happening all around us. It is known as galactic cannibalism. Galaxies are not peaceful islands of stars drifting quietly through space. They are gravitational predators, enormous cosmic structures that collide, merge, and consume one another. Right now, across the universe, smaller galaxies are being torn apart by larger ones. Stars ripped from their homes. Solar systems flung into intergalactic space. Entire galaxies swallowed whole. And it has already happened here. Around 2 billion years ago, the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, consumed a smaller companion galaxy of the Milky Way. Astronomers recently found the remains scattered like bones across the sky. Narrator, and it will happen again. In roughly 4.5 billion years, Andromeda will collide with the Milky Way in a titanic cosmic event. Our night sky will twist and stretch into chaotic streams of stars. Gravity will tear entire worlds apart. New stars will form from the wreckage. Humans, or whatever life evolves after us, might witness one of the most spectacular events in cosmic history. Or we may be long gone, scattered by an even darker force. New Moon Symbol Chapter 3. Rogue Black Holes, the universe's most terrifying predators. Narrator, of all cosmic threats, one stands above the rest. One so powerful, so mysterious, so unstoppable, that it's almost impossible to comprehend. The rogue black hole. A black hole is a region of space where gravity becomes so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They devour stars, planets, gas, and anything unlucky enough to drift too close. But here's the nightmare scenario. Black holes can move, and sometimes they break free from their galaxy. How? Scientists discovered that when two supermassive black holes collide, the energy released can kick one of them into space, like a bullet fired from a cosmic cannon. In some cases, the energy needed is equivalent to 100 million exploding supernovae. This creates a renegade black hole, wandering through the universe at incredible speeds, devouring everything in its path. And one of these monsters could be heading toward us right now. Not because we did something wrong, not because the universe hates us, but simply because gravity is unpredictable and space is a lawless ocean filled with invisible predators. Astronomers have already found rogue black holes drifting through the Milky Way, dark, silent, and undetectable until you're too close to escape. If one passed through our solar system, the result would be immediate and catastrophic. Planets torn from orbit, the sun stretched into ribbons of plasma, Earth swallowed whole, a quiet end, a gravitational assassin. Medium White Star Chapter 4, Zombie Stars, Dead Suns That Refuse to Stay Dead. Narrator: we often imagine the stars as eternal, glowing beacons lighting up the night sky. But almost every star you see has already died. Its final light just hasn't reached Earth yet. And some stars die in the most dramatic way imaginable, exploding in a supernova, an event so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy. But here's where reality becomes stranger than fiction. Some stars refuse to stay dead. Astronomers have discovered what they now call zombie stars. Stars that exploded should have been destroyed entirely, but somehow reignited. Imagine a corpse suddenly taking a breath. That's what these stars are doing. In some cases, the explosion is so powerful that part of the star is blown away, but a small remnant continues burning, flickering back to life. Scientists have no idea how this is even possible. Zombie stars challenge everything we know about nuclear fusion, stellar evolution, and astrophysics. They should not exist. They should not survive. And yet, they do. They glow again. They live again, in defiance of cosmic rules. Milky Way Chapter 5, The Terrifying Beauty of the Universe. Narrator: in the grand scheme of things, humanity is tiny. Our lives, our fears, our victories, all of it takes place in a universe so vast that even light struggles to navigate it. But maybe that's what makes these cosmic horrors strangely beautiful. Galaxies devouring each other lead to new stars. Rogue black holes help shape galaxies. Zombie stars challenge what we think is impossible. Even the Higgs field, the thing that may one day destroy us, is a reason we exist at all. The universe is terrifying, but it is also breathtaking, mysterious, alive, and most importantly, it is still full of secrets. Secrets waiting for someone curious enough, brave enough, to try to understand them. Shooting star outro. Narrator: calm, hopeful. If you enjoyed exploring these mind-bending cosmic mysteries, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Simply Space, and turn on notifications. We have so many more films waiting for you. Stories of stars, galaxies, black holes, alien worlds, and the future of humanity among the stars. Because no matter how strange or frightening the universe becomes, we will always keep searching. We will always keep exploring. And together, we will uncover the secrets of the cosmos.